Hi and welcome to 3.38 Puzzle Cube Solutions template. I wanted to show you how to color in these shapes in PowerPoint. So you can start by clicking on one of the shapes, and then you come over to the Shape Format tab, and you change Shape Fill to any color that you want. I'm going to choose red. You could also select multiple shapes at the same time by holding down Control. As you can see, it gets a little crowded here, so if you need help, you could zoom in. I like to hold down Control and use my mouse wheel to scroll, but you could also zoom with this slider down there. And now the shapes are bigger, so they're easier to select. We could zoom out, and I'm going to change this to red. If I wanted to make, let's say, the T shape, I would actually also color in these two shapes here. So you can see it's like the puzzle cube has been sliced and then spread out. This should be the T shape right here. These squares are actually these squares on our front face, and we are going to highlight those as well. This square is located right in the middle on the front face, and then these squares are not colored in. On the top, these three squares correspond with these three squares, and they should be red. On the right hand side, these two squares are not colored in, but this one is, so we'll make that also red. And then on the left-hand side, even though you can't see that face because our isometric view only gives us the front, top, and right side, we know that the left-hand side is going to look like that for the T-shape. So this is what a T-shape would look like in that orientation in your cube. You could just fill in the rest of the colors on your own. If you make a mistake, which you might shade in something and then just decide to change it to a different color. I would change it back to white so that you can easily select on it. I realize that if you make it no fill and you try to click on it, nothing happens. You have to go and click on the outside edge if it's no fill. So it's just a little bit easier to click on everything if it's shaded in as white. Then you can click right on there. Okay? But like I said, we're going to make the T-shape here, so we'll make that nice and red. All right, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions.